Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Tailgate or tailboard meetings can sometimes be disengaging, with information rarely retained. The need for paper records complicates safety audits, leading to missed information, poor performance, potential safety incidents, quality defects, and exposure to fines or poor audit results. Dashpivot solves these problems by enabling easy documentation and automation of meeting sign-offs directly from the site, ensuring effectiveness and compliance. In this video, I'm going to show you how our platform can help improve your process. In Dashpivot, you can create a template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. To find the appropriate template, I will use the search bar in the top left-hand side. You can preview the format of any template before adding it to your workspace, and remember that everything you see here is fully customizable once it's in your account. You can easily create a record in your team folders. Our standard tailgate template includes fields such as a text field for the topic and presenter, a summary table of any discussion topics with the option to add in further attachments, yes/no fields, and at the bottom we have an attendance record, which records workers who were present during the meeting and they are signed on using our scanned Sitemate ID field. Once saved, the form will be shown in a timeline view, which is sorted by the date that was input on the form, just like this. Should you need to find and export meeting records, this can be done via the register view. Here you'll be able to use the filters at the top of the columns to find certain forms, and this can further be exported using the checkboxes on the left-hand side, where you can then download the forms as a CSV or PDF. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be excluded from form cloning in the template editor. These options can be found in the field settings by hovering over the left-hand corner of each field, where you can then select the appropriate checkbox. These fields can also be set to be required, meaning that they can't be skipped over when a user is completing the form. Conditional logic can be applied to yes/no NA questions and lists from within the template to help display more fields depending on the answer that is selected, such as requesting additional information when notes are raised or when actions arise. Information captured can also be analysed further using analytics available at the team folder and home folder level. For example, you could track the number of tailgate meetings over a certain period of time or the status of actions from within the forms. These meeting minutes can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app as well as on the web browser. The forms are organised in a timeline, just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing forms, or you can create a new one using the plus button in the bottom right-hand side. The Dashpivot app also includes a contactless sign-in process. Simply click one button to scan workers with the free Sitemate ID onto the form. This will then populate into a table with their name, company, signature, date, time, and location of where they were scanned. Workers scanned using the free Sitemate ID will also receive a read-only copy of the form on their phone. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this form with external parties, you don't have to have a computer to export it. Instead, you can simply use the Send as PDF feature that we have available in the app, where you'll be able to add any email addresses and send the form directly through the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced with external tools such as Excel, Power BI, Xero, etc., using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your meeting data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics or other tools. For example, some customers are using the integration to push their workforce sign-on data from Dashpivot straight to Excel for advanced analytics, eliminating the manual data transfer step. Try Dashpivot for your tailgate meeting today using the sign-up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.